The first volunteers now getting their dose of a vaccine that could protect the world from COVID-19.
It seems like the right thing to do to ensure that we can combat this disease and get over it a lot faster.
The team at Oxford's Jenner Institute are fast-tracking their trials because they've already tested a similar vaccine for another coronavirus, Middle Eastern Respiratory Syndrome, or MERS. They believe it's safe. The big question is, does it work against this new virus too? This morning, an encouraging sign from researchers in the U.S. Scientists at the National Institutes of Health's Rocky Mountain Lab in Montana gave the vaccine to 6 rhesus monkeys, then exposed them to large amounts of COVID-19. 28 days later, none of the monkeys had the virus. The lead researcher telling the New York Times the rhesus macaque is pretty much the closest thing we have to humans, but that scientists are still analyzing the results. The Oxford team thinks they'll know whether it works in humans by July.
And that gives us confidence that, firstly, this is going to be safe when we use it for this viral infection. We have a good idea of what type of immunity it produces.
The team is already working with manufacturers around the world, including MilliporeSigma in Massachusetts, an arm of German pharmaceutical giant Merck, to speed up mass production if the vaccine works. 1 million doses are already being produced at risk. That means if the vaccine doesn't work, the doses will be useless. But if it does, they'll have a big head start, delivering a desperately needed vaccine as early as September and taking on the next challenge.
We are aiming to make not millions, probably not tens of millions, but ideally hundreds of millions of doses of this vaccine, because we really believe that is what will be required, even in the second half of this year, to help put out this pandemic.